guys, good morning, it's here again and welcome to my channel. For today's videos guys, I will be showing you the Little Baguio here in UK. If you want to go here guys, pumunta lang po kayo sa Regent's Park Station dito sa London. And from there guys, mga 2 to 3 minutes matatagpuan nyo na po ito. Okay guys, let's get started! Yan guys, pag na-miss ko yung Baguio guys, yung ginagawa ko lang, pumupunta lang ako dito. Okay guys, napakaganda ng lugar na to. Sobrang lamig pala ngayon dito guys, 7 degrees. Autumn na rin dito, kaya yung mga leaves naglalagasan na po. Yan guys, ito naalala ko yung Baguio. Look at that. Aakyat tayo. Guys, sobrang ganda dito. Yan guys, sobrang ganda. Look at that. Akyat tayo dito. Akyat kasi ito eh. Yan. Yan.
I honestly think it could be stat today. It's for the zoo story I'll send. And there's this one. There's some sort of like gem research of the UFO, and I feel like I'm stuck myself. Like just really up for like doing things, like just the tubers, or like games and.
Yan, naglalakihang mga. Guys, ang ganda ng kulay. Yan, super beautiful. Wow, nakakawala ng stress guys pag nandito ka. Look at that. Amazing place. Wow. Merry Christmas na. Doon tayo dito. Yan yung mga upuan. Ang dami ring mga roses dito guys. Kaya lang dun sa kabila pa siya. Sunday kasi dito, kaya maraming families na pupunta dito. Yan, ang ganda.
It's only going to be shown to 1,000 people, and then really, like, of those 1,000 people, who's like maybe a couple of people are going to buy it, aren't they? And that's all you need is like a
that's
couple
all
of people.
you need. You just need those couple of people.
But
And also,
if you don't, and I also like the people that follow me, probably all over the world, so they're not going to buy it.
Wow, ang ganda dito talaga. Nakakawala ng stress. Sobrang ganda guys, diba? Ganda ng mga flowers. Ayan. Passing flowers.
Yeah, my parents are even
that was surprisingly well choreographed as well. The poses were like identical on both sides. Yeah, he's doing it.
Ito po yung tinatawag na nila na wishing place. Kung gusto niyo po mag-wish,
Yeah, I get it.
kuha lang po kayo ng mga coins. So itapon nyo lang po dito. Yan. Yan. Sobrang galing. Look at that. Dito po marami din pong nagja-jogging. Okay. Okay. Tsaka dito. Ayan. Ganda guys. Yan, sobrang ganda. Wow. Punta na po tayo sa other side ng Regent's Park. Ito po yung other side ng Regent's Park. Dito po yung ang pinakamalapit na station po dito is Baker Street Station. Ayan. Dito po matatagpuan yung maraming roses. Kaya lang nawawala na po yung roses na yun guys kasi winter na. Dito guys, pag may mga nagpapakasal, minsan dito yung ginagawa nilang place sa mga pictorials. It is a very cool place. Pag summer po dito guys, marami po, sobrang dami yung flowers dito. Papakita ko po sa inyo yung mga may natitira pa kasing roses dito guys. I will show you some roses. Yan. Rafa, we're going to vlog the roses, Rafa. Look at it. Yan, may mga roses pa siya guys.
Wow! Just had dirty voices. It looks so. He's like. Wow, Steve.
Yan ang roses guys. Look at that. Wow, nakaka-ilag. Ito naman yung yellow roses. Hello. Wow, beautiful. Sayang guys, so hindi ako naka-vlog dati. Nawawala na yung mga roses. Yan, ang ganda yun. Yung mga roses dito guys, may mga pangalan. Ito, like this guys, yung name ng roses na to is Free Spirit.
I'm so pro that, you know? Like, I wanted to get that snack today, so I was just like, I want to go.
Ito, champagne moment. Kaya lang wala na siya. Ito, and then, the next one is the Living Wish. And this one is the Gordon's College. Wala na oh. Buti nga nakaabot pa ako ng mga. Yan. Next is Red Abundance. Red. Wow. Sobrang ganda talaga dito. Guys. Kung pupunta po kayo ng London, guys, try to visit this place. It's very beautiful. Oh. Okay, Rafa. Sabi ng anak ko, may nakita daw siyang beautiful flower. And that is absolute fabulous. Absolute fabulous. Ano yung kulay niya? Parang may pagka yellow orange. Saka ito is Robert Winston. Oh, Natasha Richardson. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes.
Just Big White Pavilion, Big White Regency Pavilion.
What else? Look at that. Oh, ang ganda. Parang nasa
Yeah.
pictures lang. Dami palang iba-ibang kulay ng mga roses guys, no? Kasi yung bata pa ako guys, Nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, akala ko lang yung rose lang red. Red at saka white. Yellow, yun yung mga famous na color. Eh, pink din pala. Ito. Ah, ito. Ito yung Jubilee celebration. Ito yung commemoration ng ano. Okay guys. Yeah, hanggang dun guys, roses pa yan. Mga roses po. Okay guys, that's all for today guys. I hope you like this video. And I hope to see you in my next vlog. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. And sana po mag-ingat po kayo. Kita po tayo sa sunod ko ng vlog. Tsaka thank you very much guys for watching. Thank you. Take care. Bye.